Welcome back, guys. This is Anime Buff. Today we will talk about Will Kurama return and how Himawari may revive Kurama. If you want to know about the fact how Himawari revives Kurama, watch the video till the end. So let's not waste time and start it over with a bang. A big surprise appeared in the latest chapter of Boruto Naruto Next Generation, where it turns that the new fact emerges that the one who actually died is not Naruto but Kurama. In chapter 55 yesterday we got an explanation that Barin mode is not actually Naruto's sacrifice, but that's the Kurama sacrifice. Kurama himself died forever. This is what makes some fans wonder if that Kurama can be then be resurrected again. The reason is the fans still have not accepted Kurama's death, considering that Kurama is the same as Naruto, the figure accompanies their childhood. There are several possibilities that can be done to revive Kurama. Anything, but keep in mind this is just a theory and speculation only. Edo Tensei. It feels like all the geeks who are fans of Naruto know that Edo Tensei is a forbidden jutsu or reincarnation stance is a very powerful technique where the user revives people who are dead. This technique was created by Tobirama Senju, but Kabuto and Orochimaru are people who are able to perfect it. This technique could have been used to revive Kurama. However, there is a weakness of this technique is that it requires a body that will serve as a container for those who will be resurrected. This could be the thing that makes Naruto things difficult because the beast is not the same as a human who can be placed in any body. Talking about Edo Tensei, there are interesting things where Minato and Hokage are resurrected. Minato shows to still have Kurama's chakra stored in his body. That is even though Kurama's chakra is dead and it will remain is always be in his Jinchuriki's body. Renetensei. Another technique that can be used is Renetensei. It is the forbidden chance only activated by those with the Renegan ability. Basically, Renetensei is helped to revive those whose the lives by taking by Shinigami. However, unlike Edo Tensei, who returns someone by zombie version. But this technique returns people by human version and Sasuke is someone who can use their ability, but the problem is Sasuke has lost his Renegan eye. If only Sasuke could return his Renegan eye, then the chance of Kurama will get back up with this technique is quite big. Asking Hogoromo Otsutsuki's help. As you know, the tailed beast one of the creatures of Hogoromo Otsutsuki. Hogoromo created them by breaking up the chakra of the Ten Tails after successfully he and Hamura sealed up their mother Kaguya Otsutsuki. Being the power of the Ten Tail be misused, Hogoromo finally broke the Ten Tails chakra into 9 monsters. Asking Hogoromo for help would be one way to revive Kurama, because Hogoromo certainly knew a lot about this. The problem then is that how Naruto and Sasuke need Hogoromo considering that he died thousands of years ago. Hogoromo itself often appears accidentally in the situation, is very precocious. For example, in the 4th Great Ninja War, is this time Hogoromo will appear again. Revived by Himawari. So at last it comes that Kurama is actually revived by Himawari instead of Naruto. That is because when Hinata was injured during Momoshiki's attack, Himawari stayed by her bedside as he was healed by Sakura. She is mostly understanding of her often absent father and his Hokage duties. As Himawari awakens his Byakugan in a very early age, instead of being a member of the Hyuga clan, she can only have the power to be the next Jinchuriki of the Ninetales in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For further videos, like this video and please hit the subscribe button, and till dates, Anime Buff signing off.